Right now their experience, they're real. You are not wearing any kind of mask. You are stepping out of your comfort zone and trying to control the situation, and this person want to chase you. You're not going to give up on my happiness because people jealous of me around you, jealous of you because yes, you are potential personality, you are enhancing your aura and your charisma. Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of July. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? And we are having here Page of Cups, Two of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Temperance. What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards this person? What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Magician, Three of Wands, King of Wands, Nine of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Chariot, Hanged Man. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Pisces with this Hanged Man, Sagittarius with this Temperance, Cancer with this Chariot, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Two of Wands, Three of Wands, King of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Page of Cups. Leo, your person is immature in their feelings and emotions, but there is emotions, feelings, love kind of things in this person, and they are offering you. They feel that kind of emotions towards you, and they feel like teenager. This person do love you, and they feel some kind of emotions and feelings towards you. Right now they're inexperienced, they don't know how to express their feelings and how to mention that they are into you, and they find you are really calm, cool, radiant, positive, real. You are not wearing any kind of mask, you're not a fake person, you know what you want in your life, and you are the more reliable and stable person. They are just, you're a good listener as well, comfortable person. This person is deciding and making plans about their lives, and some kind of planning strategies they are making. And this person is just like, what should they do about this passion that they got for you, this love that they have for you. And this person is finding balance and try to make peace with you, try to cope up with you, trying to be with you. This person is ready, this person is behavior is flexible towards you. They're ready to rely on you, they're ready to make something with you, and want to cope up with you, want to be with you. They feel that urge and temptation towards you, and you are a real person, you know how what you want in your life, and you are stepping out of your comfort zone and trying to control the situation and your life. You are manifesting on good things. You are really charismatic, charming, fiery energy in you, attraction in you. A person, when they think about you, no matter, not just this person, anyone think about you, they can feel your charm, your charisma, your aura. You are in a fiery energy. You want to travel somewhere, or you are analyzing this person and your life from distance. You are just, there is a horizon in front of you, and you are just analyzing this, want to travel towards somewhere, and also you are planning about your life and want to take action about your plans and strategies. Right now you are in a singlehood energies. You want to dive into this horizon, but you are single and happy, independent, and free from all the baggages, all the burdens, all the blames and regrets. You are in a freedom, and you are in a singlehood energy, and you are want to get some fresh air, want to travel somewhere, and overall you are single, charming person, and you are manifesting on good things. This person want to chase you, your person, someone, your person somewhere want to chase you, emotional. There is, someone for you in, this universe. If you are single, completely single, no love interest for you, definitely there is someone for you. And if you are right now, you think there is nobody in your list, your person, so go with that. You are right now analyzing your life. You are single, you are manifesting one, you want a person in your life, and you are attractive and charming. You are really, right now are really charming for the, relationship and commitment for other person. And if there is anyone in your list, in your eyes, or uh, definitely there is someone for you in this universe, in this world. They definitely try to chase you. If they in touch with you, you are a little bit stuck with that. Right now you are stuck, about this stuckness, about this commitment and partner thing, some kind of delay and stuckness. Let's see what else we have for you, Leo. What else we have for Leo? And we are having here Knight of Swords, Four of Cups, and Two of Cups. Someone is jealous of you. Someone definitely aggressive and jealous, because it makes sense. As I told you, you are free, you are single, you are totally charismatic and charming and want to travel, you are enjoying your life actually. And that's why someone is aggressive and jealous of you, definitely from someone, from friend, maybe family, a colleague. It could be anyone who's jealous of you, and you are totally stubborn about this. I'm not going to give up on my happiness and freedom and, the success because you are jealous. Now, this is not going to happen. I'm not going to give up on my happiness because people jealous of me. It's their problem, not yours. You are like that, and you want soulmate in your life. You want someone that really, really you feel like that we belong together. You want someone like that. You want soulmate connection in your life. And about the single Leos, this is, you can separate your energies from this, definitely someone for you. And that person is, coming towards you with affection, with love, trying to cope up with you. And when they met you, they definitely feel like that, yes, you are a really real person, a really comfortable person. And this person is like making plan towards you. And also someone around you jealous of you because you are single, you are charismatic, you are charming, enjoying your life, and you have nothing to do with their jealousy. It's their problem. You are like that, and you want soulmate in your life, that you can feel like that, yes, we meant to be together. This is what you want, and this is what you are manifesting on. Let's collect some pieces from future. Let's collect some pieces from future. And we are having here King of Pentacles, the lovers, and as an outcome, Eight of Pentacles. This person, definitely people saw you. This is for single Leo. For single Leos, they overall your impression, you are strong on your ground. You are protected financially. Yes, you got a lot of potential. Emotionally, yes, you are potential, and you are protected, and you want the lovers connection. If you are looking for right now a bit stuckness about this commitment and partner thing, but in the future, upcoming days, if you are looking for a partner, you want someone that really loves you. And right now you are busy, as I told you, the commitment thing, the relationship thing is a little bit stuck. But you are working, you are, traveling, you are working your job, you are working on yourself, you are grooming yourself, your personality, you are enhancing your aura and your charisma and your charm, your social status. Work, your job is your priority right now in upcoming days. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading, Leo. I am the angel of marriage and I'm assisting you right now. Amazing. This is for you, Leo. If you are looking for marriage, commitment, definitely someone for you. This is purely for single Leos. 80% this reading for single Leos. And, mix your person. If there is someone out there for you, definitely they want to cope up with you, and they are offering you their love and affection, and they are making plans towards you. Overall, your impression on your person is like you are stable on your ground, and you are a really real person, and you know what you want in your life. And yes, there is something about commitment and marriage upcoming days. Let's see what else we have for you. Stop making bad choices, heal. Dance on sad music, joyful way. Face your fears, actually. Stop blaming yourself, it's destiny. If you think it's late, it's okay, it's destiny. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is someone out there definitely track towards you, and overall your image is like you are a really peaceful person, really reliable person, really strong person, really protected and stable person. This is overall your impression on people. And you are traveling, you are single, you are charismatic, you are charming, you want soulmate connection in your life. Right now, about commitment and partner, you are a little bit stuck there, but you want commitment and partner, someone stood by your side, hold you in their arms. You really want that, but right now busy with your work and doing some you know the work. These are the summaries of your readings, Leo. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.